What we can see here is freshly created new data service. So what to do if I want to send a file into it and process it? Let's quickly delete everything what's there by default. It returns just the basic information about the sender, which we don't want to right now. Drag and drop the customer file. So let's say that we will be expecting the CSV file in the form of customer. Let's quickly extract the metadata. Next, finish. And let's say that as a demonstration that we were successfully able to receive the file and process it, we will be returning it as a JSON. So switch to the endpoint configuration, output as a JSON, and let's create a new input parameter. It has to be one of the two types, text file or binary file. Let's go with the text file, and let's call it file to make the situation simpler for us. The next thing is that we have here the warning, because when we are receiving the data like in file, we need to be in post method with our data service, publish it. So to get the URL. And finally, let's switch the flat file reader to read it from the input parameter and not from the static file on the disk. So visit the file URL dialog, HTTP content, request path, it's what we are looking for. It's request ..path and name of the parameter, which we are reading from. So file in our case, press OK, and that should be it. Let's check it from the data app to confirm that it works properly. Here is data app. Simple auto-generated web interface over the data services. There is just one input parameter in the form of the file, so let's browse it. Let's choose customer CSV and run it. Here is the evidence that our reader were able to parse the file and export it as a JSON. So request ..path name of the parameter. That's it.